My name is Wesley Moon. I'm the principal of Wesley Moon Inc., and I am thrilled to be a Lux Gold List honoree. The project that we're talking about today is a pied-à-terre located on the Upper West Side of Manhattan. So this is an old bank building, and so this floor was like really high ceilings, beautiful light, but they were actually worried about not having as intimate of a space. So to make these really large rooms feel more intimate, we used a warm color palette. So we brought in these golden tones, deep rich woods. We used woven leathers. We used all of these things that just signify warmth and comfort. Then we also used really large scale light fixtures. And that in a way brought the ceilings down without making the room feel heavy. We also created a fireplace where there wasn't one before. And I ensconced it in these built-ins that are made out of spruce oak, a rich stone. We used a beautiful leather to wrap the doors. We gave it a lot of detail. And then the whole back of it is this glass material that again is not a mirror, but it just adds depth and warmth. And another way to make these rooms feel comfortable and intimate is controlling the acoustics. So in this case, I wanted to use a lot of soft upholstered materials. So we created a very large sofa that anchors the living room. It's upholstered in mohair, it's so soft. But even when it came to the coffee table in the living room, they wanted something really kid-friendly. So we created the coffee table top out of cork. We did a huge silk carpet in the space and beautiful embroidered drapery. But all of this combines to make this room that is so acoustically soft. So the original kitchen in the space was definitely a typical New York kitchen. No one was really going to cook in there. It was a very small little square space. The previous owners had a workout room. We were able to break through and expand the kitchen into that space. So one half of it we made into a cooking area. The other half of it, we created a bar. We did a wine fridge on that end. And then I incorporated this antique Japanese panel that the client owned already and loved. So we actually made a light fixture out of that panel and built it into the ceiling. The best part to me is that now, a year later, I will still get a text from them saying, "We are enjoying the apartment and it's so warm. Thank you for making this home something that we really love to be in." So that makes me feel really good.